Hi, my name is Gabe Charbonneau, and I'm the founder at Fluent Systems here in Stevensville, Montana. We make automation software for electronic health records. By now, most of you have experienced the problem that we're trying to solve. Either you've been a patient and you've gone to your doctor only to find out that they're easily distracted by the computer in the exam room and not quite spending enough human time connected and engaged with you. Or maybe you have a friend or a family member who's a doctor themselves who is experiencing signs and symptoms of burnout from working in the computer. Either way, it's a significant problem. I'd like to talk about a couple statistics. There's some research that's meaningful to me. It turns out that now doctors are spending on average 2 hours in doing digital tasks and EHR work for every 1 hour that we spend in the office seeing patients face-to-face doing visits. Now that's compelling. There are 940,000 US physicians. Of that, about 30% use the EHR that we've spent the most time working to optimize. Here's another bit of information to consider. We've conservatively estimated that if you can save a doctor an hour of time, it's worth about $65,000 for them over the course of a year. If you take that to the Epic market, which we have spent the most time working in, that ends up being $17 billion a year. Now let's talk about our solution for a second. First of all, I'm the crazy doctor that taught myself to write code so we could build the first version of our platform. Second of all, we felt like there should be a way to seamlessly build in unique workflows for individual physicians to take away some of that cumbersome work in the EHR and take multiple steps that they're doing every day and turn them into one, and to organize those tools in a way that makes sense to clinicians. And that's what our software is. We have some exciting things in the future as well. We've been testing some things out like text-to-speech using machine learning so that we could potentially add that in and make a product that competes head-to-head with Dragon Naturally Speaking and has very robust clinician automation features as well. And we also have some exciting IP. We have designed a system where the computer will actually watch and learn how a physician works over a period of time and then suggest and build automation tools for them automatically to save them significant amounts of time. So why Montana? First of all, I live here and I love it here. My wife's family is from Missoula. I have great friends working with me on this project who I am absolutely impressed with their technology abilities. I'm also impressed with the technology community here in Montana. I think that we can compete head-to-head with people that are in Silicon Valley and Boston. I think we have the ability to make absolutely amazing software and technology right here in Montana, and that's what I want to do. So what does Fluent need to win, and why am I pitching? First of all, I've been working on this project for 5 years, and even though every time I sit with a doctor and show this to them, they get super excited, and you can see the relief on their face from seeing work being taken off their plate, I haven't figured out how to be able to scale this yet, or how to really make it grow in a significant way. Part of that's on me. I am a physician, and I still want to work as a physician. And as much passion as I have for automation, I haven't been able to give that up yet. We need a full-time startup team, and it's time to start building that. And that's exactly what we want to start to use. If we could win this competition, what we want to use some of our money to do is to bring on some full-time people who will align with our vision and be excited by our vision and passion and love the idea of helping doctors and patients to have a better experience in the EHR together. In closing, even if you don't choose Fluent for this competition, I hope you'll be inspired by a brighter future for patients and doctors having more meaningful human connections and helping us to melt technology into the background so that we bring back that important and sacred relationship and really provide truly amazing care. Thank you.